Good morning, my name is Anjuri Paula Patiño Peñaranda y voy a hablar sobre member of my family. My mom. She is my mom. Her name is Marta Consuelo Peñaranda Peñaranda. She is 51 years old. Her birthday is in July 7. She is a children's teacher and she loves her job. She has been working for 20 years and is very orderly with her work. In her free time, she goes to mass and she goes for a walk. My mom is very good at cooking and she also likes to cook a lot. She likes listen to music and dance with my dad, and she also likes to spend time with her granddaughter. Thank you.